don't write MOHD, that's the short form from Muhammad. Don't write MOHD. Always write completely Muhammad, MUHAMMAD, because MOHD means a dog with a big mouth. I am personally not in favor of writing MOHD short form for Muhammad sallallahu alaihi wasallam. That's the name of a prophet. But I did not know that means a dog with big mouth or not. So I went on the Google and I searched. And I found out in the Google search, according to Dr. Zakir Naik, MOHD short form means dog with a big mouth. That means this social media post became so viral. Millions of people saw it. So Google search now has said, okay, according to Dr. Zakir Naik. So Google doesn't have that intelligence of, of trying to find out whether it's authentic by Dr. Zakir Naik or not. So when you search, does MOHD means a dog with a big mouth, it will pop up. Dr. Zakir Naik says, please let me make it very clear. I never said this, Nauz Billah, and I never said that MOHD means a dog with big mouth. This is baseless. I personally believe that it's preferable when you're writing, write Muhammad in the full form. But in my mobile, I use the word MOHD short form. Why? I have a reason. Because the spelling of Muhammad are various. I think there are more than 50 types of ways in which you can spell Muhammad. And there is MOHAMMED, 8 letters. In these 8 letters, 4 are variable. M in the starting, H the third letter, and the first M and the last D, these 4 are constant. The remaining 4 letters can change. So there can be various permutation and combination how you can spell the word Muhammad. It can be MOHAMMED. Second letter can have 2 options, either MO or MU into variety. Muhammad, again, the second M, MOHAMM. The 6th letter M can be there or cannot be there. Some people spell Muhammad with single M, some people spell Muhammad with a double M. And the second last letter E can either be E, can be A. So when you do a mathematical calculation, because of these 4 variables, the various permutation and combination, you can have more than 50 different options. So in my search, when I write the name, some people spell MOH, some people spell MUH. When I write the way they write in the visiting card, I don't remember which spelling has each Muhammad used for himself. So when I should search for Muhammad, the name doesn't appear. I said, I know it's there in my mobile. It doesn't, because I don't know what spelling has he used. So in my mobile, all the Muhammad I've spelled as MOHD, common, so that there's no confusion. It's easy to find. Though personally, while writing, I never prefer writing the short form, MOHD. I don't like it. The name Muhammad, it is the most common name. But this message that don't write Muhammad MOHD short form is baseless. It's totally wrong. But I do suggest that it's preferable not to write short forms when you're writing a letter or referring to someone. Better write the full form, irrespective of the spelling, maybe MOH or MUH or double M or a single M, or whether it be ED or AD, whatever it is, that doesn't make a difference. But preferable write the full form. Hope this answers the question.